On this edition of Birds Up, the Roadrunners take part in UTSA's first football pep rally. A wounded warrior pays the team a visit, and defensive coach Eric Rourke is mic'd up
We're
for
on
sound.
camera right now. Tell everybody who your favorite coach is. All right, here we go.
And we will bring you the sights and sounds as the Roadrunners wrap up their fall campaign at the Alamo Dome. Excitement continues to build as the Roadrunners approach their inaugural season. And that excitement was on full display at the Roadrunners' first pep rally, which also marked the debut of the UTSA Roadrunner Marching Band.
What's up, UTSA? Let me hear you scream! I can't hear you, UTSA Roadrunners. Are you ready for some football?
It's great to be here. Great day in San Antonio, Texas. And hey, we're proud to be a Roadrunner. Proud to be a Roadrunner. No doubt about it. We very much are. Here are some of the guys behind me. And you know what? We had a scrimmage the other night, and there was nobody in the stands. I said, hey, you do the right things. They're going to be in the stands on September 3rd, 2011 in the Alamo Dome. Will you be there?
Coach Coker and the Roadrunners received a visit from a true hero. Army Sergeant Joel Tavera, who suffered serious injuries when his Humvee was attacked while on patrol in Iraq. Sergeant Tavera met with the team on behalf of the Wounded Warriors Project.
We had a young man, Joel, that came that was wounded in Iraq. His Humvee was hit, I think, with 5 mortar shells. Probably should have died, but was saved, and had a great story to tell. And our players were very privileged to have him there, to thank him for the sacrifices that he had made and others like him, men and women like him, have done to allow us to enjoy football and the things that we enjoy throughout this country.
To talk to some of you players actually while you guys were practicing, before you actually start hitting pads. I like the hit that I heard earlier. Somebody hit the ground real hard. Like, whoa!
Defensive line coach Eric Rourke joined Larry Coker's staff in 2009 and brings 25 years of college coaching experience. Coach Rourke is a great motivator whose unique sense of humor is always on display.
Huh? Why is that?
You look like him. You sound like
No. I don't have a beard, man. I'm clean shaven.
If you had a beard,
Smooth as a baby butt. Huh?
yeah, right.
But here's the thing that distinguishes you between a good football team as opposed to an average football team. We got 2.5 weeks. We've gone in quarters, okay? We have got to finish. We got to play well in the fourth quarter. Today, you got to start good. You got to start good, and you got to be really strong in the finish, guys. They called T-Bull. You hit it 20 yards deep, man. Get the call. Get the call. Hey, if you see that, go, man, go, okay? Good job. Hey, that a babe. Good job.
The Roadrunners wrapped up their fall session in grand style as they held an open practice and scrimmage in the venue they will call home, the Alamo Dome.
This is your home, guys. It's your first time. You're making history tonight. First time in your home. First time in your home. Let's fly around. Let's play smart. Let's have fun. We good with that? Yes, sir. Let's go.
Your last one till next year, and then we playing. Oh, yeah. Y'all better let it all out.
Join us next time as the team prepares for their first spring game, which will take place during Fiesta.